Welcome to the AKC's first virtual class. I thought I'd put this together to try and help everybody practice while they're at home. I don't know how it's going to turn out. It's going to be a little rough, but we'll give it a try. So standard warm-up, hands on the hips, each shoulder width apart, look up, look down, itch, knee, san, chi, go, ro, sit, hands, chi, left, right, and switch, itch, knee, san, chi, go, ro, sit, hatch, Q, G. Left ear on the left shoulder, right ear on the right shoulder, and switch. Knee, san, chi, go, ro, sit, hatch, Q, G. Half circles in the front. Knee, san, chi, go, ro, sit, hatch, Q, and G. And swimming forward. And backwards. And open. Itch, knee, san, itch, knee, san, knee, san, itch, knee, san, itch, knee, san, and across the front. San, chi, go, ro, sit, hatch, Q, G, other way, itch, knee, san, chi, go, ro, sit, hatch, Q, G. Feet together, toes and heels touching, bend forward and back, itch, knee, san, chi, go, ro, sit, hatch, Q, G. And alternate. Sit, hatch, Q, G. Circles, itch. San, chi, go, ro, sit, hatch, Q, G. Other way, itch, knee, san, chi, go, ro, sit, hatch, Q, and G. Alright, let's do some jumping jacks. You know the way I like them. Clap at the top. Clap at the bottom. Itch. Chi. Go. Ro. Sit. Touch. Q. G. Itch. San. Chi. Go. Ro. Sit. Touch. Q. G. Itch. Knee. San. Chi. Go. Ro. Sit. Touch. Q. San. G. Itch, knee, san, chi, go, ro, sit, hatch, Q, yang, ju, itch, knee, san, chi, go, ro, sit, hatch, Q, go, ju. Just do a few push-ups. Itch, knee, san, chi, go, ro. Remember to keep your back straight. Sit. Good. Good. San. Chi. Go. Go. Sit. Hatch. Q. Ni-Ju. Alright. Let's remind everybody some basics. Ni-Ju-Hichi-Ko. Learning how to punch. Left hand out. Itch. Knee. San. Itch. Knee. San. Ready, itch, knee, san, chi, go, ro, sit, hatch, Q, G, itch, knee, san, chi, go, ro, sit, hatch, Q, G, itch, knee, san, chi, go, ro, sit, hatch, Q, G, itch, knee, san, chi, go, ro, sit, hatch, Q, G, itch, knee, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. And up and breathe. Breathe twice. Let's do Ni-Ju-Hichi-Ko. I'm going to say it. You guys say it. And then we'll do it together. Okay? Ni-Ju-Hichi-Ko. Yo. Alright. Joranagi-yuke. Joranagi-yuke. Sotuke. Sotuke. Uchi-yuke. Uchi-yuke. Girenbarai. Girenbarai. Chokuzuki. Chokuzuki. Kagizuki. Kagizuki. Joran Shirozuki. Joran Shirozuki. Tateyempi. Tateyempi. Shutochi. Shutochi. Teishochi. Teishochi. Yokoempi. Notice I've switched to Shikodachi. Mawashi-empi. Notice I've switched to Seisandachi again. Chokusen Seisandachi. Yokoempi. Back to Shikodachi. Mawashi-empi. Back to Chokusen Seisandachi. Joran Ushiro-empi. Up to Uchi-Hachidachi. Joran Ushiro-empi. Wariote Ushiro-empi. Aniyame. Zen Shin Kotai. Hai. Itch. Neat. Look first. Bring the feet together. Step out sotuke. 1, 2. Look first. Bring the feet together. Step out sotuke. 1, 2. Look first. Block the kick. Pull it in. Side kick. Look first. Block the kick. Pull it in. Side kick. Right hand. Punch. Sanrizuki. Hey! Feet together. Soto hachidachi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Arigabe. Alright, so those of you who can, make a quick video recording of yourself, and I'll make sure you have links to our private Facebook group, or find some other way to share it with me, and I'll take a look and see how you're doing. Also, a little bit of homework to keep you busy. I want you to think about what this Kihon is starting to try to teach you. What are we trying to learn from it? I especially expect slightly higher answers from the senior belts, blue belt and up, and the white belts and the green. Just do the best you can. Give me an idea of why we practice this particular Kihon and what we're trying to learn from it. Alright, that's it for today. I'll see you all again as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you next time.